Guys, Toyota Camry hybrid, fuel filter replacement 2022 model. So I remove the seat cover. This is the seat cover, all over the seat cover. Remove this. This is the seat cover at the back. I remove this to find the fuel filter and the fuel pump. So this is the fuel tank, guys. So this is the fuel filter and the fuel pump. This is the color black. This cotton. This is a fuel filter. I need to replace this. It's very dirty. So I did not show how to remove the seat cover. Only this remove. And this is the fuel filter and the fuel pump. This is the fuel filter, and this is the fuel gauge. Just remove this fuel gauge. Just remove this lock to replace this, the fuel filter. To remove this fuel gauge, just use this small screw. Just like this, left and the right, and push. So this is the fuel gauge, and this lock. This to lock here. This all lock. Need to remove that to replace this fuel filter. So I need a new one, fuel filter. Here's the new filter, guys. This is the new fuel filter hybrid, and this is the part number. It's our original from Toyota. This is a fuel filter. Just remove this lock. This lock, and under here is lock to replace this. And this is some new original from Toyota. Just remove this fuel filter. Came from this. Replace this, and you put this like that inside. Only like that. I don't have a videographer. Okay, so that's it. This is the old one, fuel filter. So finish, guys. Finish installing the fuel filter. Let's come back.